The smartphone camera race keeps getting more exciting every year, and two of the biggest competitors right now are the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra. Both phones are packed with powerful camera hardware and advanced software processing. Samsung is promoting improved cameras, faster lenses, and its well-known nightography features on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. But Huawei has long been known for its incredible night photography, so the real question is simple: which phone actually takes better photos? To find the answer, both phones were tested in different environments. Photos were taken in bright daylight, indoor office lighting, and difficult low light conditions. Every photo was captured using the default camera settings, the way most people normally use their phones. This helps show how each camera performs straight out of the box without extra tweaks or manual adjustments. Let's first talk about the camera hardware, because that plays a big role in image quality. The Galaxy S26 Ultra features a main camera with a wide f4.4 aperture, which means it can capture more light. More light usually helps improve photos, especially in darker environments. However, even though Samsung has a bright lens, the phone still uses a slightly smaller camera sensor compared to Huawei's Pura 80 Ultra. A larger sensor usually means better detail, better dynamic range, and stronger performance in low light. Because of this, Huawei technically has a hardware advantage before we even start looking at the photos. Another interesting difference appears in the zoom cameras. Huawei has introduced a unique lens switching technology that allows the Pura 80 Ultra to switch between two optical zoom levels while maintaining lossless image quality. The phone can move between around 3.7x zoom without losing sharpness. Samsung takes a different approach. The Galaxy S26 Ultra includes two separate telephoto cameras, one offering 3x zoom and the other providing 5x zoom. While these lenses work well, they don't reach the same long-distance zoom range as Huawei's system. Of course, camera specifications don't always tell the full story. What really matters is how the images look in real situations. Starting with the main camera in daylight conditions, both phones perform very well. Photos from the Galaxy S26 Ultra look bright, colorful, and sharp. Samsung continues its tradition of producing vibrant images that immediately look appealing when you view them on the screen. Huawei's Pura 80 Ultra takes a slightly different approach. The images often look more natural with balanced colors and excellent detail. In many daylight shots, Huawei's larger sensor helps capture a bit more texture, especially in shadows and complex scenes like trees, buildings, or landscapes. Indoor photos show another interesting difference. Under office lighting or indoor environments, the Galaxy S26 Ultra keeps images bright and clean with strong contrast. Samsung's image processing makes photos pop, which many users enjoy for social media. Huawei's camera again focuses more on natural results. The Pura 80 Ultra tends to preserve subtle lighting and details very well. In some situations, it manages shadows better and keeps highlights from becoming too bright. Zoom photography is where the competition becomes very interesting. At shorter zoom levels, both phones deliver sharp and detailed images. However, as the zoom level increases, Huawei's advantage becomes more visible. The Pura 80 Ultra maintains strong clarity even when zooming much further thanks to its advanced lens system. Samsung's 5x zoom still performs well, but once you move beyond that range, Huawei tends to hold on to more detail and stability. Ultra-wide camera performance is quite close between the two phones. Both devices capture wide scenes with good color and sharpness. Samsung's ultra-wide photos usually appear slightly brighter, while Huawei's images often keep more balanced lighting across the frame. Selfie cameras also deliver solid results on both phones. The Galaxy S26 Ultra produces bright selfies with strong skin tones and clear details. Huawei's selfies look slightly softer but often appear more natural in color. Low-light photography is where expectations were highest, especially with Samsung promoting its improved nightography features. The Galaxy S26 Ultra definitely shows strong improvement, capturing brighter nighttime photos with good detail and reduced noise. However, Huawei still remains one of the strongest players in night photography. The Pura 80 Ultra often captures more natural lighting while keeping fine details intact in darker areas. So does the Galaxy S26 Ultra beat the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra? The answer depends on what you value most. Samsung offers bright, vibrant photos and very reliable performance in almost every situation. Huawei, on the other hand, continues to push camera hardware further, especially with its larger sensor and powerful zoom system. In the end, both phones deliver flagship-level photography, but if zoom power and natural image detail matter the most, Huawei still holds a slight edge. If you prefer colorful photos that look instantly impressive and consistent across different scenes, Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra remains a very strong choice.